Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure data mining techniques with RapidMiner, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open RapidMiner Studio on your computer. Create a new project to start your data mining journey. Import your dataset by clicking on the Import Data option. Select the file type of your dataset, such as a CSV or Excel file. Locate the file on your computer and click Open. After the file loads, preview the dataset to ensure it's correctly imported. Now, you will need to prepare your data for analysis. Select the Data Preparation tab from the toolbar. Use the Select Attributes operator to choose which columns to include. Remove any unnecessary columns to streamline your dataset. Next, handle any missing values by using the Replace Missing Values operator. Choose a method, such as replacing with the mean or median. Now that your dataset is clean, it's time to choose a data mining technique. Navigate to the Operators panel and search for available techniques. For beginners, let's use the Decision Tree operator. Drag the Decision Tree operator onto the canvas. Connect the output of your prepared data to the input of the Decision Tree operator. Once connected, configure the parameters of the decision tree. You can adjust options like tree depth or criteria for splits. After configuring, you'll want to add a performance operator. Drag this operator onto the workspace and connect it to the decision tree output. Configure the performance metrics you wish to evaluate, such as accuracy or precision. Now, it's time to run your process. Click the Run button located in the upper toolbar. Review the results in the Results panel to interpret your model's performance. If the results aren't satisfactory, go back and adjust your data preparation or parameters. Experiment with other data mining techniques, like clustering or regression. Make sure to save your project frequently. That's it, you've successfully configured data mining techniques with RapidMiner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.